to set master password in Lastpass. So without further ado, let's get started. In your favorite browsing app, type in Lastpass, then go to its official site. Here, go to login option and log into your account. Once you're in your homepage, go to your username and go to first option of account settings. So under the login credentials, you will see master password option. Tap on change master password for changing your master password into your old password, and then create a new master password. And make sure to follow the minimum requirements, that is 12 characters long, 1 number, 1 lowercase and 1 uppercase. After re-entering your master password, click to save master password. Wait till the operation gets completed. And here you are done and your password has been successfully changed. So thank you for staying till the end. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel.